So that's on now. Let me copy the link of the stream and paste it on our Moodle so that we know that we have that there before we forget. Oh, I can't even find Moodle. Right. Okay, so I'm going to A levels, coordinate geometry. Yeah, and we're looking at intersecting lines to start off with, okay? And this is not something serious that you haven't done before, okay? The idea is if you have two lines, you can, instead of drawing them and using graphical methods to find where they intersect, it's using simultaneous equation to find where they intersect, yeah? So this is what we've already done in foundation math, so there's nothing new here. Basically, we're just doing simultaneous equations, okay? We know that if two lines are parallel, they will never meet, yeah. If they are not parallel, they must intersect or cross each other somewhere. One way to find the point of intersection is to read it off the graph. So you can say this one is 3, 2, yeah? So you have x plus 2y is equal to 7, and you have 2x minus 3y is equal to 0, and they meet at this point here. But I've already taught you when you were doing foundation maths that you can find out that point literally by solving the simultaneous equation pair. The problem with using graphical methods to find things is it's not always very accurate. It depends on how you read it off. You've seen that lots of times. If you use a good graph paper, then you might be more accurate. If you use bigger squares or all those very big graph, maybe squares, then your graph may not be very accurate because you might be guessing a lot of the answers. So graphical method is not always the best method unless you are using, in fact, it's not always the best method. Algebraic method is always better to use when you're trying to find out something because it gives you the actual solution. Okay, so if you want to find the points where these two lines intersect, then you're going to be using we're going to use simultaneous equation instead of graphical method. So let's do that. We remember how to do simultaneous equation, yeah? So x plus y is equal to 6, and 2x minus y is equal to 9. What do we do here? Do we add them or do we subtract? If this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, do we add or subtract to eliminate? Yeah, equation 1 plus equation 2. Yeah, if we do that, we'll have 3x, y plus minus y is y minus y, which is equal to 0. 3x is equal to what? 9 plus 6 is 15. And then we'll have x to be equal to 5, yeah? And when x is equal to 5, we can substitute back into the original equation. Yeah, substituting back into the original equation. You can choose any one of them. That's okay, Rim, I'll mark you now. Yeah, so you can say 5 plus y is equal to 6. Yeah, y is equal to 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1. Well done, Naji. Yeah, so write down my solution. Yeah, and then the point of intersection would be 5, 1. Don't forget that. We did this in foundation maths. Yeah, so write down my solution. Okay, have you finished? Yeah. So that's how we do it. Yeah. Basically, you're finding the point of intersection of those two lines is you're just using simultaneous equations. You're using algebraic method, which is simultaneous equations. Yeah. So we got them. Okay. The lines intersect at 5,1, which is what we did. Okay. So I'm going to get you now to do these ones for me. Have a go at question 1 and question 2 for me quickly now, okay? Let's see how good you remember what we did in foundation maths. So assessment 1, 2, and 3 is all open for you. I should begin to mark them now so that we don't get it all crammed. Yeah, and I was telling the class before the latecomers came in. Before the latecomers came, I was telling the class that your further maths exam is going to be on the 10th of June. Okay? Just so you know. Your further maths exam is going to be on the 10th of June. Yeah, check it now. It's open. I opened them now. Assessment 2 was open, but I think I had a problem with the date, so it closed back immediately after 1 or 2 days. Yeah. So check them now. They are all open now. If you have any problems, if you encounter any problems, you can send your answer to me by email. Okay?
Teacher, I didn't understand this question.
This one?
Yeah.
So the simultaneous equation. Do you understand it now?
Yes, yes.
You know, when you are working in real life, they are not going to say solve the simultaneous equation. They may give you 2 lines and you are trying to find where those 2 lines meet, and you know the value, you know what the equation of those 2 lines are. They're not going to tell you to solve it. They will just say, where do the lines meet? And because you are an engineer or you are somebody who knows math, you can use the equation, you can use simultaneous equation to find the point of intersection. So do that for me now, quickly, guys. I've got a delivery, I'll be back. Oh, there we are. I thought the person was going away. Hello, good morning. Thank you. Okay. Question 1, anybody? Well done. Okay, so you guys finish off these ones. Those the two that have done question 1 and 2. Finish off these ones. Khaled Alotaibi, your answers are you only have to come for the exam on Friday, okay, my lovely? Just be there. Come into this. You have to come into the exam. You have to come into the class, Foundation Maths class, okay? 9 a.m. on Friday. Come to my Zoom, and then we'll take you through the process, okay? Hamad, you forgot how to do it. So you start by either adding or subtracting. Yeah. Okay. Decide whether you need to add or whether you need to subtract so that you eliminate. You eliminate one to find the other. Okay. And when you got one, when you got the other, you substitute back into the original equation, any of them, to find the one that you initially eliminated. Oh. I will show what you have to do on the exams, okay? I'll show what you have to do on the exams. For those who are writing the exams, you're going to get the questions that I put on the foundation maths for revision. They will be the exact same questions you will get in there. They will be like, maybe I will change the numbers, but they will be very similar. Okay? They won't be different to the one you do in the revision. So make sure you revise. Has anybody got to? I'm not sure about how that will work, but if you want to do it again to improve your this thing, I don't know. I don't know how that will work, to be honest. You see, when we do the exam, we do it to but the only thing I know is people that are doing the receipts, because we're trying to get everyone to pass at this point, we will not use Moodle to assess you anymore. so we'll just put what you got in the exam so that you can pass. But it is capped. The receipt exam is capped. You can't get more than a certain marks. For instance, you cannot score 100% in the receipt. Do you understand? You can't. It's impossible. Right, so many questions about the exams. Oh my goodness. But the receipt is capped. That's one thing you have to know. The receipt is to enable everybody pass. It's not for you to score higher marks or anything like that. It's for those that didn't pass to pass. So I don't think anybody can really score more than 50%, to be honest, in the receipt. This is why the first time you do it is the killer. You have to get it right that time if you want to get the high marks. Yeah. When we are working with you in the class and we are encouraging you and telling you what works, what you have to do, take it seriously. Don't play with it then. Don't play with it then. Because British system of education is kind of like what you deserve is what you get. That's just the way it is. There's no way around it. Mm. Okay, so lots of you have got your answers. I'm yet to see an answer for question 4. Abdullah lost. Abdullah lost, leave me alone, please. They're gonna look at your first grades anyway to see what you're trying to score. Yeah. Mm. Mm. I think if you do very well in your further maths, then you don't need to like worry much about your foundation maths, do you? Does it matter? I don't know. Do your further maths very well. You're lucky this year that I'm teaching you further maths and I'm doing it, making it really simple for you guys. I'm trying to make further maths more fun instead of stress. Who is fun? Khaled, do you mean Fawaz? Khaled, leave me alone, please. I don't want to laugh this morning. He wants to receipt. Oh gosh. You will get 0 this time. Tell him I said you will get 0 this time. Okay, so let's have a look at the answers. For the first one, let's see. 5x plus y is equal to 26. 2x minus y is equal to 9. What should we do here, Hamad? Should we add or subtract? What's going to eliminate one of them, x or y? No answer.
Teacher, do we need to multiply?
Well, you have one here and one here, so there's easy elimination there.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
We will subtract.
Is subtract going to get rid of y? You will kill y. We'll get rid of y. So if we add, then we can get rid of y, okay? Because that will become so if we add, we have 5x minus 2x. We have plus y. 5x plus 2x plus y plus negative y, yeah, and 26 plus 9. And this is going to strike off y. Okay, so let's add. Okay.
Teacher, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand?
No.
You do foundation maths with us. You came late. Yeah. We need to do this plus this. Do you know why we're doing it?
Yes.
You know why we're doing it? What is 5x add 2x?
7x.
Okay. What is plus y plus negative y? What's the answer?
0. Nothing.
Thank you. It's equal to 26 plus 9 is what?
26 plus 9. 35.
Good. Did you see why I had to add?
Yes, I understand.
Thank you. Okay. 7x is equal to 35. And if we divide both sides by 7 now, then x would be equal to 5. Yeah. So substituting, oh, it's always a big word to write. We have 5 times 5 plus y is equal to 26. 25 plus y is equal to 26. Y equals 26 minus 25, which is equal to 1. So in here, we would have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Well done to those of you who got that answer. All right. Okay. The next one. We're going back to the stuff we did in foundation math, so you guys should be excited about this. If you're going to be doing receipt exams on Friday, and if you're not sure about this, and those of you who have passed already who still want to do receipts, but still don't understand this one, I don't know what you want to score on the Friday. I don't know what you want to score on Friday.
It's easy.
Is it? Okay, we'll see. 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. I'm dealing with some characters here. 4x plus 5y is equal to 43. Okay. So what do we do with this one? Do we add or subtract? Khaled. Hello, Taibi.
We add.
Yeah. So if we add, then we're going to have 7x, Yeah. And this is going to go off. It's equal to what? 49.
And divide it by 7.
Then divide both sides by 7. And x would be equal to 7. Yeah. Substituting. 3 times 7 minus 5y is equal to 6. 3 times 7 is 21 minus 5y is equal to 6. 21 minus 6 is equal to 5y. What's 21 minus 6?
15.
Is it 15?
Yes.
It's equal to 5y. Divide both sides by 5.
Equal 3.
And y equals 3. Okay, so we got x equals 7 and y equals 3. Let's try them out and see. 7, 3. Mark it. Yes. Okay, who wants to give us their answer for question 3? I'm not going to do it now. If it's not right, then I will do it. Naji, can I get your answer for question 3? Is Naji there?
Yes, but I didn't do it.
Why?
I did the first two.
Then you started enjoying the conversation. You refused to walk. Reem, did you do question 3?
Yes.
Okay.
X is -4 and y is 7.
Well done.
Teacher, how we do it?
Okay.
We multiply the first one by 2?
Yes. So 4x plus y is equal to -9. 5x plus 2y is equal to -6. To make this one equal, I can multiply this by 6, yeah? So this would be, by 2,
By
yeah.
2.
This equation times 2, yeah? Equation 1 times 2 is going to give me 8x plus 2y is equal to what? -18. And then I'm going to get rid of this one. I don't need this one anymore. Yeah.
Okay, understand, teacher.
For now. Then I can decide, should I add or subtract now?
Subtract.
Khaled. Subtract, yeah?
Yes.
But I think it will be easier for us if we put this one on the top. Okay. 8x minus 5x is going to be equal to
3x.
3x. And -18 minus -6 is equal to -18 plus 6, which is equal to what? -12, okay? And if we divide both sides by 3, we're going to have x is equal to 4. That's how she got this one, yeah? And then you substitute into the original equation 4 times -4 plus y is equal to -9. -16 plus y is equal to -9. -16 plus 9 is equal to what? Or let's do it the other way around. Y is equal to -9 plus 16. That's much better. Okay, and that will be equal to 7. Well done, Reem.
Thank you.
Okay. How about the last one? Anybody did the last one? Or they be Maddie? Did you do question 4? No answer. Who wants to answer a question? Let me see. Did any of you put the answer to question 4 in here? Abdullah Alav, did you do question 4? Why? Okay, let's do it together. 6x minus 5y is equal to -1. 4x minus 2y is equal to -2. Yeah, now we can times this equation
By 2.
by 2
Yes.
times this one by 5 to make them the same. So this would become 12x minus 10y is equal to -2. And this will become 20x minus 10y is equal to -4. Now we can, what can we do now? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
We can subtract, yeah? 12 minus 20x is what? -8x. -10 minus 10 is -10 plus 10, which is 0. -2 subtract -4 is -2 add 4
2.
will be 2. Divide both sides by -8. Ha. What do we get? X is equal to negative what? Is this correct? Who is that? -4. These students. -1/4. I don't know whether this is correct. Let's see. -0 point. No. Did we do something wrong here? -0.25. Times 5. Ha! I see the problem. You guys were not looking. Oh, God. Right.
What is the problem, teacher?
We didn't times this by 5. We times it by 2. So this would be -10. Okay? Now we found the mistake. So this would be -8x is equal to -2 plus 10 would be what?
8.
Yeah, and divide both sides by -8.
It will be -1.
X would be -1. That's why it was complaining. I'll check. Okay, when x equals -1, substituting, yeah, 4 times -1 minus 2y is equal to -2. -4 minus 2y is equal to -2. -4 plus 2 is equal to 2y. Yeah. -2 is equal to 2y. Divide both sides by 2. You would have y is equal to -1. Wow. For real? It's strange. Yay. Okay. Yeah, it's that moment when you get the answer and then you doubt yourself. And then you think, oh no, it's not right. It can't be right. Let me rub it off and try another way. Then you get it wrong. Okay, well done, guys. Let's see if there's any other thing of interest that we can look at here. before we jump straight into equation of a circle. Yeah, I think we should just focus on this for now. Yeah, so that you guys will become expert at doing it, because even with the first one, I found if you find some of them, you get confused. Okay, how would you solve this type?
Maybe we should rearrange the first one.
What should we write? How do we write it? Negative 2x plus 3. Yeah, I see.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll say this one is y is equal to negative 2x plus 3, and y is equal to 3x minus 12. Okay, so what do we do here?
We times it by 3.
Yeah, we times the top one by 3 and times the bottom one by 2. Now we have to be careful so that we don't make the mistake of the first time.
Okay.
Yeah. But also we can rewrite this. Have a look. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. So 3y is equal to negative 6x plus 9. And what? 2y is equal to 6x minus 24. I think we could have written this as what? 3y plus 6x is equal to 9. And this one, we could have written it as 2y minus 6x is equal to negative 24. Then it looks like what we've been working with the whole time. Wow, what have I just done? It's so hard to move this thing. Trying to pick it up and move it. You have to wait for the cursor to be the type you want to move around. Okay, so then what should we do now? Subtract or add? Add. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 1 add equation 2 will give you 5x is equal to 9 minus 24 is what? Come on, guys. 9 minus 24.
Minus 15.
Minus what? Minus 15 or 15?
15.
Minus 15.
Yes.
Okay. And then we divide both sides by 5. And x is equal to negative 3. When x equals negative 3, substituting back, we have 3y plus what? 6 times negative 3 is equal to 9. 3y plus negative 18 is equal to 9. 3y minus 18 is equal to 9. 3y is equal to 9 plus 18. 3y is equal to 27. And y is equal to 3. Okay? 9. Y is equal to 9. Somebody went quickly. How? How is it 3? I'm happy that you're all watching me and seeing how I'm doing it. Okay, so here are some for you to practice. Should I wipe it off? Okay, this one is a little bit, it requires a little bit of rearranging, okay? So,
Teacher, it's piece of cake.
piece of cake, oh, that's good, that's what I want to hear. Okay, let's do the piece of cake then. Let's eat up this piece of cake fast. Have a go at question 1 and 2. When we finish with this topic 4 now, we go to topic 5 and we do trigonometric equations. Trigonometric graphs, yes. So that you learn how to draw the sine graph, cosine graph, tan graph, and all the rest of them, and know how to do their transformations. So tomorrow we can have a look at equation of the circle. If we do not finish it today, we'll look at equation of a circle. Then on Thursday we can start topic 5. Okay, let me see if I can sort out this receipt thing with yeah. Sorry guys, I can't do it. Okay, we'll see now. Right. 5x minus 8. You have to get your x and y coordinates so that I can then check whether your answer is correct, okay? And do you know how to check if your answer is correct? Ali, you need to put your answer back into the original equation to see whether it is correct. Okay. What answers are we getting for this one? Any answers in yet? Let's have a look. Not yet. Are you guys still working? Let me see. So you had y. Okay, let's do it this way. 5x, let me rewrite everything. 5x minus y is equal to 8, yeah? 3x minus y is equal to 4. Are we happy with this line? Then now we're going to what? Subtract, yeah? 2x minus y minus y is minus y plus y is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Divide both sides by 2. You're going to get x equals 2. Let's try that first of all. Let's try that just to make sure we're on the right side. Yes, so we're on track. When x equals 2, substituting when x equals 2, y is equal to 5 times 2 minus 8. Y is equal to 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. So let's try y is equal to 2. So well done to me, okay? If you didn't know how to do it, now you know how to do it. Write the answer down, okay, guys? This is how you do it. This is how I'm teaching you to do it. Do it using this method, which I'm teaching you now. It's straightforward. Okay. Your question is not going to say solve the simultaneous equation. It's going to say find the point of intersection. Okay, and when you've written down your simultaneous equation and you found the points, you have to say the point of intersection is 2, 2. Okay, if you don't write this answer down, okay, you're not going to get the marks because x is equal to 2 is something, y is equal to 2 is something, but when you put them in coordinate form, I know you're talking about a particular point. Okay, that's the point the question is asking you for. Right, let's have a look at question 2. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite everything to say 9x minus y is equal to 39, and 3x minus y is equal to 9. And I'm going to say this minus this, yeah? And this would be 6x is equal to what? 30. And x is equal to 5. Now substituting back into any of these ones, y 45 minus 39, which is what? 6. Yeah. Well done. Okay, so let's see whether we got the answer right. X 5,6. Yeah. Okay. So we can do them. So what about this one then? What do I do with this one? Khaled, it's the piece of cake. Help me explain how I can do the piece of cake now.
Okay, teacher. It will be minus 17 equal to 5x minus y.
So you're writing from the other way, but the back to front. Yeah, because that's how you guys write in Arabic. Okay, so 5x minus y is equal to negative 17.
Yes.
And 2x plus 4y is equal to 2. So now you guys can solve it. Okay, so solve this one and let's get the answer. We still have 20 minutes. So maybe we can have a look at equation of a circle today. I'm waiting on you guys. Come on.
Just a minute, teacher.
Okay. All done? Okay. So, maybe we can times equation 1 by 4 times by 4. Then that will give us 10x minus 4y is equal to, what is 17 times 4? 17 times 4, guys.
68.
Well done. So negative 68. I'm gonna put that 2x plus 4y is equal to 2 down here. I'm going to take off these ones. Right, we've rewritten it. Okay, so now are we adding or subtracting?
Add.
Okay, so 12x is equal to minus 66, is it?
Yes.
Divide both sides by 12. This is a little bit weird. I'm not sure about this answer. I'm not sure. It's not even letting me. No, so we must have done something wrong somewhere.
I think 2, teacher. Maybe.
Yeah, so hang on a minute. The bottom line is all right. It's the top line that I've just found the problem. So we wrote this one as 5x minus y is equal to negative 17. Yeah.
Yes.
And we times this one by 4. Yeah. So this should have been 20x minus 4. What did we write before? It's equal to
minus 60.
I think you wrote 10.
yeah. 60 minus 68. Yeah. So this now is 18x is equal to negative what?
Why 18x, teacher?
Oh, 22x. You guys have to help me here. No, you're not the only ones that are tired.
I will help you, teacher.
When the class is sleeping, it affects me as well. You don't know that.
They are focusing on the lesson.
X is equal to negative 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got it now.
Miss, why negative 3?
Negative 66 divided by 22.
Yes, it's negative 3.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, so we got it now. Let's see. Okay, we got it now. So now we substitute back in. Y is equal to 5 times negative 3 plus 17. Y is equal to negative 15 plus 17, which is equal to 2. So here we'll have 2. And we got it right, guys. So I'm not going to start any new topic with you. Let's just do the second one here because we're finishing in how many minutes? 14 minutes. Yeah, so let's have a go at this one.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I think I got some answers in here. It's do you mean the exam, the receipt exams for foundation maths, or the final exams for, or the main exams for further maths? Further maths exam is 10th of June. That's what I saw in an email that came to me. I don't know, that's Andre to be confirmed, yeah? But foundation maths, it's the receipt foundation is on Friday. Friday, 30th April, 9 a.m. prompt. Okay. Right, what did we get for this one? -7, 4.
And 4.
Okay, let's check.
Oh, maybe there is something wrong.
Yeah, let's check. Okay,
I
we'll
got
check it.
-4 and +7.
Oh, it looks like a rearranging formula problem. Oops. Okay, let's see. Y is equal to 2x minus 18. So 2x minus y is equal to 18. And 2x plus 5y is equal to -6. I can just subtract because x and x here, okay?
And we get y.
Yeah, and we get y, yeah? So if this is 1 and this is 2, then 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 is going to be off. This will go off. Negative y minus 5y is negative 6y is equal to 18 minus 6 is 18 plus 6, which is 24. Divide by -6 both sides, and you have y is equal to -4. Okay, let's see what's happening. It didn't give any of them correct. So, oh, come on. Yes. And then when y equals -y, let's substitute back in. Substitute. 2x plus 4 times -4 is equal to 2. 2x minus 16 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus 16, which is 18. 2x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 2. And x is
Miss,
9. Yeah.
there is a mistake.
On yours or on mine?
Yes, it's 5 multiplied by -4, right?
Where? Oh, here. Oh, 5. Yeah. Ha, see, I would have got it wrong now. We'll start again. Thank you for checking. At least somebody's watching. That's good. Yeah. So this should be 5 here. 5 times -4, not. So it's this one. Oh, this one. Oh, we're all tired. Minus 20 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to 2 plus
Miss,
yeah.
it's equals to -6.
Oh, goodness me. Which one was I copying? I think I went and copied the one on the top. Yeah. Okay. I'm looking at the top one each time. Okay. So this should be -20 is equal to -6. Yeah. Okay. So 2x is equal to -6 add 20. What's that? 2x is equal to
14.
14 and x is equal to 7. Is that not what you said initially?
Yes.
Well, how did it mark us wrong then? Is this thing going crazy?
Maybe we put the 7, the X
Mixed
in the
up.
wrong place and the Y.
Yeah. It was mixed up. Ah, going around in circles. Okay. Well done, guys. I think we have to, yeah, it's nearly 11:50. We have to end it there for today, okay? You guys should keep an eye on your Moodle, okay? Make sure that you complete any task that you have to do there. It all adds up to your marks. Don't take anything for granted. Don't leave it to the last minute. Last minute, you can't do it. You want to do it as soon as it's out. Do it and get it out of the way. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye. The deadline. Who is here now? Let me see. Oh, they've all gone. Stop share.